Welcome to Classic Technology, guys. I would like you guys to completely watch the video because I'll be sharing important information about this placement as well as important information that might be very crucial for you. So, before going into today's video, I would like you guys to go join our WhatsApp group as well as Telegram group because we update the latest posts that are available, companies that are hiring, what package they are offering, what are the interview questions being asked, what are the solution for those questions are being discussed over there in the Telegram group. So it is really important for you to join there and get those benefits so that you can crack an interview as well as get selected into a company. So that's about how you have to go through a company's walk-in. And for today's video we are going to talk about LTI Infotech Recruitment 2022. That is, L&T company is hiring for system management. So system management is a job where computer and information system managers supervise organizations computer related activities. They plan, install and monitor software and hardware to meet overall information technology needs. They oversee budgets and information security and implement new technology as needed. So this is all what they do. And there's little about Infotech company here you can go through. That is LIT Infotech, LNT Infotech. So you can go through here, and these are the requirements that are to be met. So about LNT, it's LNT Infotech, company name is, their official website is lntinfotech.com. Job position is system management. Location is across India, that you might get posted in anywhere in India. That is Bangalore, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Pune, anywhere like Delhi also. So you can apply for this job as soon as possible because they have not mentioned the last date for application. So the job role is as of system management, and job type is full time. Experience is 0 to 3 years. That is, you may have experience or you may not have experience. You can be a fresher to join the work. So qualification is BE, BTech, ME, MTech, and MBA. So these are the qualified graduates who can apply for the job. And batch is from 2019, 20, and 21, 22. So people from this batch and this degree can apply for this job. So salary is 8 lakh per annum, which is a good salary out there in the market. So you can apply for this job as soon as possible and get selected. So skills required are all given here. You can go through this, and then the job responsibilities as an employee. You have to go through this also because you need to know what you are applying for and what will be you doing. So that's about job responsibilities. So there's apply link given here. That is double click to apply now. You have to double click it and then it will take you to the main website where the job is posted. So here all the details are given again. So you can go through these details and one more time verify that all the requirements are met or not. And then there's apply now button here. You can apply through LinkedIn or apply by registering to their official website and filling in all the details that are required. Your Gmail address, your phone number, and all the things that are required should be updated there, as well as with your resume and cover letter. If you have, you can update and then get shortlisted. And being shortlisted, if you are not getting shortlisted, there are majorly many reasons, one out of which is your resume. That is, you do not have a resume that is ATS based, that is application tracking system based resume, because companies have their own algorithms and machines that shortlist these resumes based on the keywords that you apply into your resume, based on the important stuff that is put into your resume. So if you want a resume like that, you can apply for resume at our website. That is, here is the apply for now resume button is given here on the top, as you can see. So you can click this and it will take you to the main page where the resume details are accepted. So you need to choose your old resume file and upload it to us, and then the extra things that you want to update into your resume, and then your name, then email, and then your phone number. All these details are to be filled in. Name, email address, and phone number are for contacting reasons. So when your resume is ready, we'll contact you as soon as possible, and then you can get the resume. And it only costs 149 rupees. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you'll get a resume like this and get shortlisted in companies which you want and which you desire of. And if you have liked the video, you can click the like button. If you have not subscribed yet, you can subscribe and turn on bell notifications for recent updates and latest updates as well. And you should also join Telegram group as well as WhatsApp group because it is really important for you, because you should not miss those opportunities. They're really important for your career. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much.